you gone?
Yeah. Yeah, man, me almost reach. Yeah, man, don't worry yourself, man. But here we go on. You have to go sort out that thing there, you know. Because I not feel the chance you always are risky. You see what I say? Yeah, you're safe. Hold on there. Let me know if she alright. She come on. Alright. And then nearby, just look out for me. Yeah.
Camille,
Who this?
Camille, oh you mean a who this?
Oh, are you? Yes, Trevor?
Camille, where you call my phone so far? You don't know some live with a woman.
So who business about that, Trevor? You pick the door live with that woman. You pick the live with that mother and that mother needs money. So
Oh.
I'm gonna call you.
Oh you mean you need money? No way I'm send you some money.
Yeah, but that's never enough. Remember, some of that to do here and buy a new suit of clothes to go my cousin man. Funeral, and them kill him over.
Oh you mean for take the money when me send come give you for go buy clothes for where you got your man cousin funeral? Eh? Are you hey?
Listen, some of good. When it's afraid me, and you give me a chance to come to get. So the money where I send to get me. So if you don't want to send my money and send Carlisha money, I'll be good.
You mean yo I want money me I send come. So you have to know how you have to deal with that. You understand what me I say?
Oh, you want me to look like some is not a good mother?
But you know one good mother. You know one good mother if you go take the money go buy ear and clothes to go a funeral. I didn't say your sister man funeral or your cousin man funeral.
But look, me representation, you is a nice baby man. So when you give me the money, I'm take it and myself. May I represent you? I'm a child.
Yeah, hear what me I say? Right now, just come off on my phone, yeah? We talk about this next time. Yeah.
Your F or your PH or which one?
My cell phone.
Which one of them you use?
How old is that girl, yeah, man? As a matter of fact, right now I call her come in. Business me I deal with. Have a good day.
Make sure I get my pin the money. That's what I'm here to tell you. Bye, Trevor. Bye.